This is the dream, NeurIPS, where the brightest minds shape the AI future. But it doesn't start here. I started out as a confused beginner wrestling with data and concepts that barely made sense. This is the evolution of an AI engineer in 5 stages. And if you have trained a model or built an AI app, you're about to see exactly where it leads.
You have been coding for a while now. You have built a few projects with Python, nothing crazy but enough. You come across this GPT API that everybody is talking about and you decided to give it a shot. And there it is, your first taste of AI. And just like that, the journey begins. Tutorials, courses, articles, and of course the classic books. You learn the foundation, supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. And the essential algorithms, linear regression, logistic regression, SVM, and many more. But theory only gets you so far. Now you want to build. And that's when you meet the libraries you'll use your entire career, Pandas and NumPy. And you also discovered scikit-learn, and with it, you trained your very first model. It's 3 a.m. You are wrestling with the data. This wasn't what you imagined. You wanted to learn AI. You realize there is so much to learn, and you know so little. So it begins again. Tutorials after tutorials on TensorFlow and PyTorch. So you have graduated to neural networks now. But this sense of accomplishment is short-lived because you realize something the hard way. Every application needs a different kind of neural network. Computer vision need convolution neural network, natural language need RNN, LSTM, and more. And this never ends. You have made peace with the fact that you don't know everything, but now the anxiety is gone. You are excited to learn it, to explore it, and experience all of it. AI isn't just another topic anymore, it's your career now. And so many things are uniquely yours. The books you have read, the notes you have taken, the insights you return to, they're all yours now. There is a tweet from Naval Ravikant. You first read things, then you understand them, then you become them. You are in the understanding phase now. You no more build neural networks, you understand them. No more just stacking layers upon layers just for the sake of it. You have learned the power of removing things. A dropout here, a regularization there, just enough to guide the model, not overwhelm it. You have started reading research papers now. AlexNet, VGG16, UNet, each one teaching you something new. A trick, a philosophy, or maybe a structure. Now you use neural networks in their final form. A skip connection to retain information. A dropout and regularization to stabilize training, thoughtful structure, intentional design. You no more just build neural networks, you architect them. That is the most elegant paper you have come across so far. You want to build on it, but alone, you work with a team now, and it's a different feeling, solving problems together, believing this technology can change things, surrounded by people who get it, the change makers. You finally feel like you belong here. But not everything is glamorous. There are nights like these, learning low-level programming, CUDA kernels, memory optimization, just to shave a few milliseconds off the training loop. It's hard, but you don't complain, because it's for a project, and you have responsibilities, and after all, you are a big boy now. You wear shirts. Tomorrow is a big day. You are publishing the most important paper of your life in neurosymbolic AI at NeurIPS. Yeah, of course you have to go through your keynote presentation again. Good old habit. Yeah, that's where everything started. You couldn't help but smile. But now, it's no more about you or your company. You're solving the problems for humanity now.